Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my first retreat in a box from the new annual catalog, and it's going to be the cup of tea bundle that is used for it. So this is a new stamp set and dies that come with it. So this bundle you can add on to the retreat box. So let me show you what the retreat box is going to include. Let's open it up and see. There's 6 projects. So there's going to be this little banner that you make. These are some of the products that included. You're going to make this tea box. It holds tea. So there's some bags of tea in there. And you can put anything else, but you're going to make this little box, but it is designed for tea. There's this little truffle holder. You can make a bunch of these for favors, for anything, a bridal shower, a tea party. So there's going to be this little truffle holder. There's this fancy fold card here. It's a double gatefold, and it opens like this. And let's move that one aside. Here's another fancy fold. It's a step card. And then you put your message here on the back. So there's that one. And there's this one. It's supposed to be the cup and the plate and the saucer with some little tea biscuits that are heart-shaped. So this is another card. So you're going to get 6 projects in all. And then you're going to get $29 in product, which is, these are the new in color matted dots. You can't see the sweet sorbets under there. You'll get the package of the in color baker's twine, and you're going to get a half a pack of the tea boutique, I think it's called. Still not familiar with the names. DSP. So you'll use this on all of your projects. So you'll have enough paper for more. So for this for all these products, plus all your projects, let's see if I could squeeze them all back in here, it's gonna be $50 for this. So this is gonna be option number 2. Option number 1, it's gonna be $95, and that includes the stamp set and the dies. That's why this bundle's like $45, I think. So if you have any questions about it or anything, let me know. You can register at the link below, and I will have the PDF. Of course, the PDF comes included in both options. And then the third option is if you just want the PDF, but that will not be available until after May 15th. That's when my registration will close for this retreat in a box. So again, if you have any questions, just let me know, and you can register at the link below. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.